Y'all, my name is BrandiLaShay, and in today's video we are going to be doing my weekly low maintenance wash and go. If you want to see the products that I use and how I achieve it, then please stay tuned. For this wash and go, you'll need a leave-in, a gel for styling, some clips to section off your hair, some water to keep your hair hydrated, and some type of oil, a lightweight oil. I also use a brush to detangle. And let's get started. So this is my hair, freshly washed and deep conditioned. I'm just gonna go and apply that leave-in all over. And I like to scrunch it in to make sure it really gets into the hair shaft. Now we're just going to section off to make my life a little bit easier. I do 2 sections in the front and then I do 2 sections in the back. Now I part horizontally in the back, that way I don't have that line at the end of the style. If you know, you know. Okay, so I'm going to start with my first section. And this is how we're looking. Let's clip it out the way. And then let's add the gel. I start at the roots and I work my way down until this section is completely coated with gel. After that, I use the shingling method, where I take small pieces of my hair and clump them together. One thing I will say, if you're someone who has maybe like a thinner hair like I do, I make my shingling sections smaller. That way when they dry, I don't know what it does, but it just looks like I have more volume in my hair. So that's a pro tip for those girls who maybe don't have as dense hair as some other girls out there. Yes, I am jealous. But yes, I'm just gonna shingle until all of those sections are complete and my hair is defined. And this is how we're looking. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next section. Again, I'm gonna take my gel and I'm gonna start at the roots and I'm gonna work my hair down, or work that gel down all the way down my hair. Now you see how saturated my hair is? That's where we wanna start, and we'll start to shingle. Notice when I twirl, I'm making sure I get that twirl all the way at the ends. You do not want to define the shaft of your hair and don't touch the ends. That's gonna make it look kind of, you know, just undefined, a little poofy. But the back is done, and we're gonna move on to the front. I am gonna add a little more water because my hair has been sitting for a while. And then I'll take a section and go in with more gel. And then we'll shingle. Now in the front of my hair, it is, I guess, not as curly. So you will see my hair get weighed down, but later on in the video, I'll show you how I fix that for my wash and go, because I don't like those stringy pieces. All right, we got one more section to go. And there you go. Now, like I said, we're gonna talk about my hair in those stringy pieces. I like to take a little bit of water and I'm just gonna run that along to break up some of that thick gel. And that usually loosens up my hair. I scrunch. And then we'll be good to go once it's dry. And this is how my hair is looking after I apply all the gel. And after a little bit of styling, this is how we look, girls. Super defined, super shiny. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you use these products, and I will see y'all in the comments. Again, my name is BrandiLaShay, and y'all have a wonderful week. Bye.